Hi everyone and welcome to my first video for Romeo and Juliet character analysis. So if you've watched my previous videos based on the character revision mats, this is also a really good useful resource that I've come across online and I thought to share it with you all to have a go at. So the structure is a little bit different in the sense that it is differentiated with easy, medium and hard, green, orange, amber and red, which is the hard challenge. That you can have a go at. So this is for Friar Lawrence. So key quotations for the character. This is absolutely brilliant. Unfortunately, I can't fit it on one screen, so you might need to take multiple screenshots for this. So here we go. So to circle words that apply to Friar Lawrence that you think are relevant. Do you think he's sensible? Is he passionate? Is he violent? So there are some that are incorrect, but of course you can find out which are correct. And then you've got questions to answer on the characters, and for each one use full sentences to prove with a quotation and analysis. Now I would suggest that you have a go at all of the questions. Don't just pick the easy ones. Remember, you're all aiming for a 9 at GCSE. You know, we've got to have high expectations of each other as well. So for example, if you start off with what is your personal opinion of the friar, and then obviously working your way down to the last question, which is Friar Lawrence often speaks in rhyme and Romeo copies that rhyme structure, especially in Act 2. Why do you think Shakespeare applied this rhyme and structure to Friar Lawrence's speech? So you've got a bit of AO2 analysis that you can do. And you've got boxes here where you need to, you can complete these. So let me just close that one. Moving on, you've got one for Juliet Capulet, character analysis, exactly the same structure again. So, is she a lonely or an arrogant or a young character? You can circle the words that apply. I think the middle bit is what I think is absolutely wonderful, because you've got the key quotes there, some key quotes to describe her character. Mercutio, character analysis. I really like Mercutio, he's one of my favourite characters. Yep, so if you weren't sure, we don't really see Mercutio in Act 4 and 5 because he's no longer with us. So again, work through all the questions. I'm just giving you enough time to take screenshots if you need to. You can use these for revision and school purposes only, that would be great. Romeo, O brawling love, O loving hate, so of course taken from Act 1, Scene 1. It is good to know as well where these quotations take place, so don't just aim for like, oh, Act 2, be able to say, oh, that's from Act 2, Scene 2, the balcony scene, for example. I think this is interesting. We don't actually see Romeo. He's absent here in Act 4, so thinking about what's actually happening at this point. And then the last one I've got for you is the nurse, character analysis. So thinking about words that you can use to describe her. Okay, and then she has a massive role to play throughout Act 1 to 4, but then in Act 5 she's absent. I thought she was present in Act 5. I might need to recheck that. Okay. So I hope these resources have been useful. Try them out. Maybe just let me know how you find them. I haven't used these ones before, so it'd be great to get your feedback. Thank you very much, everyone.